Grant County Sheriff's Department, along with Federal Bureau of Investigations, the State of Utah Special Bureau of Investigations, and multiple law enforcement partners, are conducting a double homicide investigation into the death of 2 female campers from the South Mesa area of the LaSalle Mountains. The couple, Crystal Turner and Kylan Schulte, were last seen Friday evening at a local tavern. Up and give his name.
I just want to take a minute. And thank all of our partners that have been on the ground with us since about day 2 of this with the FBI, SBI. I also want to take a minute and address the concerns about public safety. Public safety is paramount to us. We've increased patrols on the mountain. We're doing everything we can. We both did overflights with helicopters. I want the public to know we're doing everything we can to maintain their safety. Thank you.
But one of the things I loved about Kai was her simultaneous sultriness and goofiness at the same time. It was almost like she knew she was very exuberant and lovely, but it was also like saying, don't take it too seriously, I don't. And she just was so honest, and one of the people that, at the vigil the other night, and everyone I've talked to, it's one of those people, you hear when people pass that everybody says nice things. Everything that people were saying was how I experienced her. When she and Crystal got together, I had no idea that she had come out, and she had been with a man previous to that, and I had no idea. And then I started seeing her with this woman, and over time I just watched this relationship grow and become so much deeper, and watched how they were not only with each other, but how that just fueled how they were in the community. And Kai just blossomed. And like I said, I didn't know Crystal very well, but the few times that I ran into her outside of, when Kai was working or whatever, and I saw her outside of Kai and Crystal together, always warm and very sweet. So, yeah, specific things. Right offhand, it's funny how my mind goes blank, but those are like my general feelings and senses of her and relationship with her.